Welcome back to the channel. I'm back here at Ford Performance. I'm gonna work on the Black Widow here, and I'm gonna install my diff cover back on. I got the 5 lug swap all ready to go. Let's have to put this back on. Let's go. Need to clean this off and then clean it with brake clean. If I was doing this at home, I'd be on my back, laying on the ground. Scotch-Brite pad, the purple one. So it's a little more coarse, so see how it's coming off. So once we get that smooth, we'll use brake clean. I'm gonna spray it all in there, clean all that out with brake clean, and wipe it out. It's important to have these 2 surfaces really clean and free of the old gasket, so for a good seal, because you don't wanna put it all together and leak. So this is where you put your gear fluid in here. So I'm gonna wait till it's actually on the car because I couldn't get it out. Wait till it's on the car and secure. Then that should give me leverage to break this free so I can fill it. So what I'm gonna do right now, I have 1 bolt in. And so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put this Right Stuff sealer, gasket sealer, on here. I'm gonna put a thin layer on here and then get it ready to go. Take 1 bolt, put it through so I can attach it, and then I can put the rest in. So we'll go from there. Gotta run them down hand tight, clockwise. So this is really cool because it's good for those really tight spaces, like in between the rear sway bar and the diff cover, because it's thin and the piece you need fits right inside. It says 20 to 25 foot-pounds, so I'm doing 25. What I'll do is I tighten those down until they touch the bearing caps. When they touch, you stop. Then we're gonna go back with the torque wrench and torque them down to 5 foot-pounds.